All right, let's get this meeting started. You want to do mornings?
Yeah. What's the timing on it? What's the track on it? What are the likely impacts on it? What are the evacuation routes? That's what a lot of people, like if you're from here and you live here, you're worried about it here. If you got family other places, you're thinking about them. And you're just thinking, you know, holy cow, we just went through one of these a week ago. Is there a likelihood of this thing turning north once it hits land and coming this way?
Yeah, I mean, it could go still north of Tampa. There's still some solutions that have it north of Tampa Bay.
Just assume that probably Wednesday we will be in a wall-to-wall situation. Probably through Thursday, I would say. I don't know if anybody will need to like stay here or anything like that. We'll have to figure that out too over the next day or so.
I'm about to go live right now, update the folks at home on TV with hourly updates here in the First Alert Weather Center. Good morning, I'm First Alert meteorologist Garrett Beaton. Hourly updates here on Action News Jack says Milton continues.
Everything changes in the newsroom when storms approach. It's times like this when we jump into action. This is when we shine. So we are plugged into every county, every city, municipality, all their emergency operations centers.
Where are you heading out to today?
We are heading to St. Augustine Beach. We're going to go to their EOC building and we're going to talk with the mayor there about what they're doing to prep for Milton.
Going over to Clay County. I'm going to Black Creek where there was a lot of flooding.
A lot goes in behind the scenes before the storm even gets here from us forecasting for our own selves too. So we're actually helping our station managers decide on coverage and where to place people.
Sometimes we will sleep at the station. We typically go 12 on, 12 off. We also get information out in several different ways. People aren't just watching TV, so especially if your power goes out, how are you getting your information? You're getting it on your cell phone.
I am joining a meeting to brief our radio partners because if power goes out, a lot of people can turn to radio too. So we're on 104.5 WOKV.
St. Johns County is issuing a local state of emergency as Hurricane Milton approaches the state.
And all the Cox Media Group radio partners there.
I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Burridge.
It gets to be very busy. Social media multiplies that by 1,000%.
Right now I'm checking in on the hurricane hunters. They've been flying in. We had like 3 flights this morning and they each passed through the eye. They saw a stronger hurricane, and so it went from a Cat 1 to a Cat 4 with each hour it felt like.
I'm going to do a cut-in a couple of minutes on CBS 47 and Fox 30, so we've got some satellite imagery right now. You can see it's a very strong hurricane. The eye is very well defined.
Stand by, Trevor.
3, 2, 1.
All eyes on powerful Hurricane Milton nearing Category 5 intensity on this Monday morning now with winds of 155 miles per hour.
Being prepared is going to help you to get through the storm. It's going to help you on that back end as you get out of the storm. Know what to do, be calm, and you'll get through the storm just fine.